Hi friends, welcome to my channel Lotus Geek. Today we're gonna fix an issue. While installing Windows, you got an error. The computer restarted unexpectedly or encountered an unexpected error. So let's go ahead and fix this issue. So whenever you got this error, at this point of time, you do not need to press the OK button. At this point of time, press the button Shift and F10 to open the command prompt. Now in command prompt, type regedit and hit the enter button. In registry editor, you need to locate a path where hkey local machine, system, expand system, find setup, expand, find status, and again expand it and choose child completion. And in this right pane, you will find a path or a value named setup.exe. Double click to open it, and in value data, make sure the value must be 3. If it is not 3, replace with 3, hit the OK and close the registry editor. Now close the command prompt and go ahead and restart your system. This will surely fix out your issue. This one is the first step. If this step doesn't work out, we are going to proceed to the second step. In second step, you need to make use of another PC. So make sure you logged in onto someone else's computer. I'll go ahead and restart and start another PC for you. In second step, I am logged in onto someone else's PC. You need to open a browser and paste the following link as it is and hit the enter button. Download this software in the description, in your desktop. I have already downloaded, that's why I'm not going to download it again. Run the program. This one is the program. Here you need to download the copy of Windows 10 again. By choosing the Windows 10, here select the edition. I'll go and choose Windows 10 Home and Pro Edition and click on the continue button. This download will be done from official Microsoft website. Choose your language and hit the confirm button. Choose the type of system or Windows you need to download. Now save the file. You can see the file is a disk image file, which means you need to burn this image file. Once you burn this image file onto the USB, go ahead and install Windows again using this newly created USB disk. This time your problem must be fully resolved. However, if it is still there, kindly comment below so that I can try to find more ways for the resolution. As of now, that's it about it, friends. If you like this tutorial, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and don't forget to like and share my channel with your friends. Thank you so much.